everyone, welcome back to my channel Acethetic Art. So today we are going to learn how to make a mandala grid. So without wasting any moment, let's get started. So here we will start by making a big circle first. I'm using a compass, but in case you don't have one, you can also use a stencil. Now we will draw a vertical line and a horizontal line through the midpoint of the circle. For the next step now we will need a protractor. I don't have one, so I am using this stencil which has all the degree markings. So we will start by marking points at every 10 degree. So basically 0, 10, 20, 30 up to 360 you will have to keep marking. In case you don't have a protractor or a stencil, just comment down below and I'll make a video on how to make a mandala grid without using a protractor. Now as you can see, I have marked all the points here. Now what we'll do is we will draw lines connecting top left point and the bottom right point. Similarly, we will draw all the lines. So after drawing this basic figure, we can draw inner circles as well. And here our mandala grid is ready. This grid makes mandala drawing very easy. You can use it as a base and just keep drawing your patterns. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.